Kamiti ya ithurano na mihaka IEBC hamwe na ciama cia kiuteti ni mokirirwo ni andu aria mari na mawathe na maranyotera iturwo cia utongoria makiuga ni maragarara ihoto ciao na kumahinyiriria na watho wigie ithurano. Hindi ya gikaro kia MCAs aguthukio aria makoragwo na mawathe mwena wa Naivasha ne makaite ne guthutukanio ndu uria utigaga aingi gukua ngoro kuhuranira itua hindi ya ithurano.
We believe that accommodation of persons with disability in all the electoral processes is a right legally protected by the legal tools in Kenya. So this is not a favor but a right to all of us.
And we are calling out to Mr. Chebukati being the chair of IEBC. We are aware that within your desk, sir, we don't have any person's ability. And when matters come to decision making, we feel excluded. Can we see this? Because we had talked about it in August. Can we see one of us sitting there to give our issues?
Matongoretio ni muikariri giti wa Collins Obanjo ni moreti anyiti itemi mihango-ini ya kuhaririria githurano ni matigirira mawatho maya ni marumbuia mundu wothe.
To the Registrar of Political Parties, we hereby request your institution give clear nomination rules for persons with disability in their party structures. Also demand that prioritization of persons with disability in the party list be considered.
Ni moretie kamiti ya ithurano na mihaka IEBC kunyihia kana kunina marihi ma wamurani wa ithurano kuri ateti aria mari na mawathe.
IEBC will not accept lists of from political parties that do not have persons' abilities, as is stipulated by Political Parties Act and the Constitution.
And finally, a clear stipulation of nomination fees and possibly waivers of the same to aspirants with disability.
Ningi ni mendekithitie IEBC gwikirira mikana ciama cia kiuteti iria itegukorwo ikiyukia andu aria mari na mawathe na ho makoria Minister wa Ugitiri Fred Matiang'i gutigirira ni maheo ugitiri wa kuigana hindi ya campaign ciao.
We are all aware of how volatile our election processes can be, and recently we had our Minister, Mr. Fred Matiang'i, promising that they would provide special security services for women. We are demanding that we be included in the process as persons with disability, given that we are vulnerable among the vulnerables.
Gerifotera Kameme TV, Jeta Getau wa Wanjiku.